JSA Films. Sunday morning, the sun has arisen. We got birds flying around. We got Jersey over there. We had an uneventful night, if you will, on the set of Tales from the Graveyard Shift with the Yonkers Pier in the background. Sun is out. I got like an hour and a half left if the relief actually shows up. And that's it. It's not that cold. There's ducks are ducking and the birds are flying. Tales from the Graveyard Shift. Sunday morning, coming down. Some kind of cars over there driving in. I guess people getting home from work. There's other people that work the graveyard shift getting home. Either that or getting home from drinking and they're driving. Well, maybe not drinking, they're driving, but you never know. Tales from the Graveyard Shift, enjoying the scenery. Back at the Hudson River like always, in the shadows of the Metro North and BVA behind me. Birds in the air. It's a good day to go to church. It's Sunday, so maybe I'll go to church after work. Go up to St. John's in the square. See what my pal Jesus is up to. That's right, JSA Films, we support Jesus. JSA Films, we support you in your struggle of fighting your demons, fighting the devil, coming face to face with the devil, which I've done, unfortunately, too many times in the past couple of years. But it seems like I always come out on top. I always kick out at 3, if you will. I always make it to the bottom rope, even if it's just by a finger. JSA Films, we're preaching. It's not about 7 a.m., if you will. It's going to be a cloudy day. Is it going to be a cloudy day? Maybe we should discuss. I said we were going to do a Black Friday episode, but there was no Black Friday episode because I was sick of shit. So I had no minutes left on my phone. So I texted my boss like 9 o'clock at night because I know my body well enough to know I'm going to wake up feeling like fucking complete shit. Feeling all achy and fluey and shit. So I texted my boss saying I couldn't come into work, which unfortunately was on Black Friday. A security guard calling in sick on Black Friday. That shit is like a EMT calling sick on 9/11. It's like, wait, how many are dead? Yeah. I mean, I don't work retail, but still not a good day to call in sick. But in one of the text messages, I was like, oh, well, maybe the person that is working now can work a double. And then my boss texted back. He was like, yeah, I guess I'll have to, LOL. And I was like, my boss just texted me, LOL. That's pretty entertaining and amusing. So I guess he wasn't that annoyed that I was feeling like shit. But that's it for now. We got birds in the air. They flying around. See? Filmatic genius over here. I need some coffee. I need to hit up shop right before I go home because I have no food in the house. I ate like a fucking it was like a bacon, egg, and cheese yesterday. Bacon, egg, and cheese, 6 €. And then like that's it. So for now, we'll end this video. That'll be the end of the episode of JSA Films Tales from the Graveyard Shift, Season 3, The Waterfront Edition.